Hello, Earthlings. I come from Andromeda Galaxy. I have learned your language through the hashtag World Wide Web YOLO swag. I am here because your lovely physics teacher made a phone call a few years ago telling me to talk to you about space. So let us get started. One of the biggest and most apparent things in the universe are stars. These are huge balls of gas that produce masses of energy. This is because it is performing nuclear fusion. Some silly people think that stars are planets like yours. Well, they aren't. For starters, they're massive, like really massive. Also, they aren't made of any solid material, which is fine if you're a gas giant. They are made of gas, but are also planets. Just a lot smaller than a star. The main thing that defines a star is the massive amounts of fire and burny stuff. It is easy. This massive burniness is the reason that we can see them from here. Light travels fast across space, so we can see it before we see anything else. Now this is a hard one. You have the sun in the middle, and stuff around it. The stuff is already moving because, you know, the Big Bang and spinny stuff, yeah. But the gravity from the sun pulls the stuff in towards it. The stuff, however, is trying to get away. The gravity makes it rotate and spin around the sun. This is an example of centripetal force. Now this one is a rest for your achy breaky brains. Because space is huge, you have to use a bigger ruler. We can use distance that light can travel through a vacuum in 1 year. 1 thou mil bill. Okay. 1 with 16 zeros after it, meters, is around the equivalent of 1 light year. Now, Mars is cool. Pun. I'm sorry. So, the problem with people going there is it's quite a distance away, and people die really easily. Honest, you humans are so soft. I could flick you and you'd start crying, apart from lads from Yorkshire, they're rock solid. Sorry, back on topic. It's expensive for you to pay for fuel to power stuff, because let's face it, you lot are skint. However, a way of getting around this is using robots. They don't die, and if they break, no one's bothered. They can have cameras and are less likely to lie to people about where they've been, like, you know, that whole conspiracy about going to the moon and stuff. Yeah, well. However, it would be hard to get samples and stuff back to Earth, and if something goes wrong, there's no guarantee that the robot will have the ability to fix it. And humans are softer too, and it wouldn't be as much fun. So, let's face it guys, you're never going to get any further away than Mars. Sorry, but it's the truth. You guys are too slow. It took you a few billion years to evolve past being mice. I doubt you'll be able to get anywhere anytime soon, and at all, because, you know, the universe is expanding and entropy and thermodynamics and stuff like that. Bye. I'm off to Jupiter to see some hot alien trick.